Okay, class, today we are going to be putting everything we've learned together into creating our timed breakout game. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Scratch, whether you're opening it from your computer or you're going to log in to scratch.mit.edu. Now the first thing we're going to do, like always, is we're going to go ahead and delete the little Scratch cat. We're going to create our own first one, like so. This is going to be our paddle. It's a very small paddle. Okay, we're going to move it down here. Then we're going to choose a pre-made one. We're going to go into things. Let's get that beach ball because it looks kind of cool. Now we're going to go into costumes. We're going to edit it and we're going to shrink it down just a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. There we go. So we're going to want that to bounce around. Then we're going to use one more thing, button press. So we're going to use the button press icon or sprite as our brick. So the first thing we're going to do over here is we're going to go to sprite 1 and we are going to control it. So how we're going to do that is by whenever the flag is clicked, we are going to forever set X to the mouse. So now the x-axis is set to the mouse every time we click the flag. Now what we're going to need to do, since this is a timed game, we're also going to clicked, wait, let's give it 3 minutes, so 180 seconds. Stop all, and also we're going to say game over. Game over. So if they cannot beat this in 3 minutes, the game will end and the timer will be over. So let's now go to sprite number 2 and we're going to make that move around. So we're going to, when the flag is clicked, we're going to point in the direction and we're going to pick a random number for it to point because we want this game to be random. We don't want someone to just be able to play it and know exactly where the ball is going to go. So it's going to go negative 75 degrees to 75 degrees. Then forever loop, it is going to move 10 steps. So after you click it, it is going to move 10 steps forever, just meaning it's just going to continuously move. We're also going to put that if it is on the edge, it's going to bounce. So we're going to click that, and now you see that every time it hits the edge, it bounces. Then we're going to put another if in here. If the sprite is touching our paddle, which is sprite number 1, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make it point in direction just like before. So now every time that it bounces, it hits that, there we go. We are close to what we need to do here. Now we need to make a variable and we need to call it score. So first thing we're going to need to do is whenever this is clicked, we're going to set the score to 0. That way, every time that you start a new game, you start now with a score of 0. Then we're going to go ahead into sprite number 3. And we are going to control it. So we got to make sure that every time it's clicked, first thing we want to do is make it show itself because it may have hidden itself if you're playing the game. We're going to go ahead and forever loop, if loop, then every time that it's touching sprite number 2, which is the ball, is going to do two things. First, it's going to hide itself, and then it's going to change the score by 1. So then we're going to go ahead and duplicate this, and we will make a whole bunch of these bricks that all share the exact same code so that every time the ball touches it, they will disappear and make the score go up by 1. So we're going to make something like, we'll do one more, this. So what, that's 9 of these here. Okay, so we're going to go back to the ball. We're going to give it another forever, or when the flag is clicked, then a forever, then an if. That way it knows that it's always trying to do this. So if, let's get a variable. So blank equals blank. So if the blank equals blank, we're going to go if the score equals 9, then we're going to have it say you win. We'll make it wait 1 second, and then after that we will stop the game. And there you go. And that is how we made the breakout game. So what you're going to do is you'll test it out a little bit, make sure that everything works. And while we're getting that there, make sure to remember your digital citizenship, because you don't want to put any information about yourself into your game. So you don't want to make a cool little design that says your name or your email or your phone number or anything like that. You don't want people to be able to find you when this gets loaded online. Make sure you save your file. And we're going to Breakout. This is my 4th game that I've made of Breakout. And there you have it. And we will continue this discussion in our next video.